Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make aloo fry recipe. If you are watching the video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Let's get started. Heat the pan on high flame. Add cooking oil 2 to 3 tablespoons. Cut potatoes into pieces. Once the oil is heated, add cumin seeds half tablespoon. Finely chopped green chilli 3 to 4. Curry leaves 10 to 12 finely chopped. Turmeric powder half tablespoon. Red chilli powder 1 tablespoon. Mix all the masalas well. Add potatoes. Keep mixing it. Reduce the flame to medium. Add salt as per taste. Mix it well. Now cover it with the lid. It's cooked now. We can check by pressing the potato. Now we'll add garam masala half tablespoon. Mix it well. Let's add finely chopped coriander leaves. It smells so good. Switch off the flame. Let's serve it in a serving plate. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Thank you for watching. See you next time.